So, how do we operate at these fires? Besides being aware of the main indicators, as with all fire operations, we always start with a size-up. You have to always assume you'll be in zero visibility on the fire floor. By checking the layout of the public hall on a floor below, or 2 floors below if it's scissor stairs, you'll be better prepared to operate on the fire floor in zero or limited visibility. All the officers should check and relay the information to their firefighters. Taking the time on the floor below to determine the location of the reported fire department will save you time later on in the operation and will prove invaluable in an emergency.
It's critical to get below because we knew basically the direction we had to go now. We had an idea how wide the hallway was, in a clear situation.
The time to perform the size-up is now. Waiting to get up to the fire floor only to realize you have a heavy smoke condition and you can't see a hand in front of your face is too late. Going out to the public hallway and blindly searching with no clue as to the location of the fire department is only going to lead to a delay in operations, serious injuries, and possibly fatalities to our firefighters. Knowing the direction and the location of the reported fire department from the attack stairways is critical.
If you don't do this and you charge that line and just start probing into the apartment as the engine blindly without knowledge of the layout or where the fire is located, you're going to get into a room or a dead-end area and not be able to maneuver this line back out.
Remember, our margin for error under these conditions is extremely small. As a professional fire department, we must allow the first 2 units the time to perform a size-up of the floor below the fire floor. Gathering this information will increase our operational efficiency and safety. Successful fire operations depends on all companies communicating and cooperating. This is not the time for the second due ladder company to assume the first due ladder company's position while the first due truck is checking the layout on the floor below. Company officers are responsible to make sure that their companies operate as assigned and follow established department tactics and procedures. When you size up the hallway on the floor below or 2 floors below of scissor stairs, what are you looking for? Notice the length and the shape of the public hallway. Some hallways are extremely long, hundreds of feet. Some of them can be offset. You can have a star shape. They're all different. Are there fire doors located in the public hallway? Where is the reported location of the fire department, and where is it in relation to those stairways? If the fire is reported to be in, let's say, 16C, go to the floor below and find 15C. Can you access the apartment below the fire department to get a layout of the fire department? Now, although the reported fire department is not always accurate, it's a place to start. You want to know if there are any duplex apartments, and if there are they up or down duplex? How many apartments are there per floor? How many doors are you going to have to count when you get out into this zero visibility public hallway? Are there any other stairways that serve the fire floor? These stairways may offer you an area of refuge if conditions deteriorate while you're searching the public hallway. They may also offer better access for the line to get to the fire department. Remember, the roof firefighter in the apartment above will be able to provide information on wind conditions and apartment layout.